Good evening. Chillaxing again in front of our house. Sa silong ng payong na malaki na may light. These are solar light. Yung isa doon ay solar light din, oh. There. Solar light here, save some electricity. May parties sa neighbor, see? They're having fun. My neighbor have a party, birthday party ng bata. Ngayon, tapos na. Pinalitan namin ng tiles. Used to be a laminated wood. Now it's a real tiles. We're looking good. Nilagay na rin ang wall bed. See? That's wall bed. At marami pang natira. See? Marami pang natirang tiles. Wow! Dami pa, oh. Maganda naman. Okay, just short video. Hindi pa lumabas ang buwan. It's 8 o'clock something na. Bukas ay malamig. Bukas like 70s, 73. Ang daming kwan. Ang daming lumilipad na ibon. Wow. Whoa. What are those? Dami. Daming lumilipad sa dilim, wow. Pero hindi sila nakikita. Amazing. Okay. Until next video. This is only a short video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Super Martin Official.